Dear Mama, I want you to know what a powerful woman you are. Padma, meaning is gracious. I always wondered why you were so strong. You will have your faith no matter what was going on. You are always push and always fight. You did everything the way you thought was right. We might have struggled and been through it, but I have always felt safe and secure with you right there. You're a mother others always needed, and a lot of us did not see it. I know you gave your problem, and I surely regret that. I know you said something that you cannot take up. Just know that I apologize if I caused you any pain. You are loving, devoted, and wise. You are beautiful, wonderful, and graceful. You are caring, amazing, and kind. And if I didn't have you, I wouldn't know what I would do. I cherish every moment I have with you. That now that you are loved by many, you have helped heal plenty. You are standing, you are supportive, you are patient, and you are hardworking. I hope you know what a strong woman you are. You raise 4 children on your own. Maybe your other kids might say something wrong, but me, you did everything right. You push, you fold, you fought, you fight. When I look at you, I can tell when you in pain. I can standing it. I surely go insane. I wish I can give you a word, just hand it to you. I will always be your sunshine and brighten up your day. I love to hear your voice every single day. I want to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to be part of this life. I want to say thank you for everything you've done for me, especially if I never said it because but that isn't right. The gratitude I have for you is hard to express. Just know that I love you and you have always been the best mother, the best friend. I love you to the moon and back, forever and forever. P.S. You are the best and I want you to know that you are extraordinary. I love you.